She, the compassionate, the merciful, the venerated guests, dignified teachers, respected principal and directors, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am highly indebted to the organizers of this grand ceremony that I have been given a chance to represent the juniors and to welcome all of you in this befitting way. I would like to welcome all of you on my behalf and on the behalf of all juniors. We are really thankful to you who have spared these moments from your precious time and honored our institution and our function. Respected audience, I find no words to express my feelings today when I'm standing here with mixed sentiments of cheerfulness and downheartedness. This evening brings great delight for me when my elder brethren have completed an important phase of their lives. At the same time, we feel deserted because they are parting from us. We feel sadness because we know that time will never come again when we will have the chance to meet them as a class. So I'm today on the horns of dilemma, thinking that what I should say. I really find no words to express feelings of my class fellows and mine. What this says, but this is the tradition and routine of the world. As great English dramatist Shakespeare has said that the world is a stage and every one of us is an actor. We come on the stage on our turn, perform our role, and we depart. So, this arrival and departure is a part of the games. Our seniors joined this college some 4 or 2 years, and now the time of their departure has come at last. Dear seniors, while you are leaving this institution, all the juniors feel that the time we spent with you, the affections we earned from you, the sweet memories we shared with you, the guidance we got from you, the brotherly relations we established with you, all are assets of our memories. We can never forget the time we have been honored to pass with you. So I can see that while you are going bodily or physically, you will always be with us in the form of your memories and affections. You will be cherished by all of us. Your guidance given to us will be cherished. Your laughers echoing in the boundary wall of college will be cherished by us. Dear audience, I would not like to take your time as you will be waiting for the party to proceed. But in the end, I surely want to say a last word to my seniors. Dear brothers, when you are leaving us and going to appear in the final examination of university and board, we find no words in dictionaries of any language of the world that can express our feelings towards you. We pray from the core of our hearts for your success in forthcoming examination and all exams of life. May Allah Almighty shower His blessings upon you. May Allah bless you in every walk of life, at every moment of life. Thanks, Allah Hafiz.